right, Shelton Fireworks, West Harrison. Let's go take a look and see what they got. Here's the bonus structure. All right. Now, one of the things I love about Shelton Fireworks is while they do carry a lot of their own house brand, they do carry Dominator and a few others like it. If you look here, Star Charger is actually a Dominator cake, and it says SFD, that's Dominator. Star Charger, great cake, had that in our show last year. And they are letting this bad boy go for $44.95, $45. Black Avengers, their house brand, probably my favorite of their house brand as far as cakes and mortars go. Lost in Space. This one's going for $43. Talked to the guy working today, and he was telling me they are a little light on supply. And if you look around, I know that seems kind of like, how does this look light on supply for Shelton? Yes, this is light on supply for Shelton, but for every other store, this is a crap ton of fireworks right now. Here's Sky Painter brand for $40, ice frozen, 20 shot 500 gram cake. Sky Painter brand is another one that they carry that's not technically their house brand. $38 here for 25 shot Spook House. Got a lot of good stuff. Ah, this is a classic. We had this in our show this year. First Strike by Dominator, $30. You go to a normal retail store, it's $80. Buy one, get one $40. Here it's only $30 out the door. No wholesale, nothing. You just pick it up and go, buy one, and you're good. Big Gun Johnny Ringo, 10 shot cake, $47. Huge bores on these. Bright Star, fantastic company. And Winda right next to it. Gotta love Winda cakes. You can't go wrong with Winda. Winda, Brothers, Dominators, all of them. Fantastic value. $43 for Tada, which is a 36 shot Winda cake, a fan cake. Oh, Nishiki. It's not bad, $33. If they hold up against the raccoon, that's not bad at all. We had these also in our finale, for $87, 24 60 gram canister shells. That's pretty standard for a 24 kit, about 90 bucks. That's pretty good. Here's another one for about 90 as well. Tsunami Wave. Dragon Bluster. Okay. Now, this is a pretty big shell kit. How much are they selling these bad boys for? $138.95. About $40 for a 48 shell with 6 tubes. Not too bad. Not bad at all. 22 bucks. $30 and wow. Yeah. And we might actually have real ball shells here. Yeah. Real ball shells. How about that? They've got bottle rockets like you wouldn't believe. Big old sky rockets. I happen to have one of my favorite rockets of all times. Get to those in a second. Wild geese, here they are, screeching pterodactyls. And screaming fear, they're about the same thing, but these are cheaper and much better. Let me grab 2 packs. 180 shot Happy Family Fireworks brand, $135. 192 shot zipper cake called Proud of U.S. Army by Krypton, fantastic brand. Lord of War by Full Blast brand. 150 shot zipper cake. Firework Complex Hot brand. 85 shot for about $90. And we got some NOABs. Not too many, but we got some here. The alleged 3-inch shell by Stargate Fireworks. $85. It's pretty standard. Blue Star by Black Avenger. $57. And this is 12 shots. It's about to get loud. Who's this? $24. 7 shot. 114 shot for $33. Some sort of zipper fan cake by Legend Fireworks, a popular brand. Might have to pick that up just because of the label. Bad to the Bone, 43 shots. Again, it looks like if this one probably not so much a fan. This is a fan cake. $45, $36. Eyes on Me, $38. Legend Fireworks Golden Willows, $22. Not bad. 9 in a box. Black Avenger 10 shot, $20. SF1. If their numbering system is any indicator, potentially is the first Shelton Fireworks cake. These are fantastic. The Bomber series of all these different states, they're all $15. They're all 16 shot, but they have slightly different effects depending on the state. You really can't beat the out of the store prices here. Ah, yes. Fountains and other novelties. They have an excellent selection of this stuff. Cannot beat the selection here. $3.50 for 6 little fountains. It's amazing. Great deal. Great deal. Oh yeah, Purple Passion. That's a fun one. Get them down as cheap as 69 cents a piece. Some 79, but they're $3.50 a pack, just about across the board. Yeah, when it comes to novelties, man, they are absolutely #1. Fountains and novelties, they have so much stuff. A box of tanks for $7. So much stuff. Police car for $4. 2 police cars for $4. Shelton Fireworks has the best off-the-shelf prices, and when you add in the discounts, it gets even better. 25% back after you spend $500. That's $125 of more fireworks you get to go back in and pick out. That is better than any buy one get one or off-the-shelf retail pricing I have ever seen in fireworks anywhere. Their house brand stuff can be a little difficult to find accurate, up-to-date videos to demo the performance. But like all brands of fireworks, there are going to be cakes and shells that are just simply not as good as the others. Name a brand, they've got a cake that pyros don't like for one reason or another. Shelton's house brand has gotten better about putting up more accurate videos, but it can still be tricky to see what the performance of a Shelton house brand cake or shell will be. They do, however, sell major brands like Winda, Brothers, Dominator, and sometimes rewrapped under their own label. They have hands down the best selection of rockets, fountains, and novelties with some of the best prices, which may not be the biggest show items, sure, but they're still a ton of fun nonetheless. The prices are hard to beat, the selection is fantastic, and even in the off-season, they just have so many fireworks. There's nothing quite like it as far as a fireworks shopping experience. I highly
recommend you check it out the next time you're looking to put on a show.